In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix not available in your region on Roblox. So this should be a quick and easy process video. As you can see, how is your location determined? If you are using a VPN, the accuracy of your location might be affected. So how to change your account location? If you would like to submit a request to change your account location, you can contact Roblox customer support through this support form. Customer support will guide you through the process, which may require you to provide supporting documentation for your request. So you can use a VPN, but the accuracy of your location might be affected. And your account location is used to customize your experience on Roblox. So go ahead and contact the support and you can change it then. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.